Hey, it's Zach, and we are at Habitat for Humanity ReStore, 81 Wright Avenue in Burnside. If you haven't been here before, this is what you're going to find. Everything from building materials, home rental products, and home decor too, and support an incredible cause. Plus, you're saving up to 50% off retail is pretty much what you're going to find in the store here. Everything from couches to duvets, chairs, tables, prints, entire kitchens, lighting, sinks, hardwood flooring, even doors and windows, and so much more. And you're supporting an awesome cause, getting anything for your house or cottage here at 81 Wright Avenue in Burnside. It's Habitat for Humanity ReStore.